Hello, this is the first video of a series of videos in which I'm going to talk about making centered holes in various pins. At first I thought I'll make one big long videos with all the methods that I want to show of making the holes in the center of pins. But then I realized it will be a long and boring video that no one would want to watch until the end. So instead I decided I'll make a series of short and boring videos that maybe some of you will be able to watch until the end. Or at least maybe some of them will be of some use to you. So this first video we will concentrate on creating a centered hole using these two manual drills. So the tools I'm using are two manual drills, which is basically a bit holder with this 2mm drill in it and this 1.5mm drill in it. And these are standard tip drills, not centering or anything. And I'll be using, for all my videos in this series, I'll be using 2.9mm pins. This specific are short driver pins, which are intended to go to Pete for his pin making challenge, I guess. Okay, so let's start by talking about how we can decide where is exactly the center of the pin. So at first I tried to mark the center by drawing an X on the pin itself. And let me find. Okay, sorry, had to find a piece of paper. So at first, if this is the pin, I thought I'll draw two lines, and it doesn't really matter how the lines will go as long as they go on the diameter of the pin, and then their intersection will be the center of the pin, and we will be able to put the drill here. But actually there is a much simpler method. It turns out that when these pins are made, when they're cut, there's actually a bunch of rings, like on a tree, that go around the center of the pin. And I'll attach an image of this here right now. And we can center the drill in the middle of these rings, and start drilling there. So I'll set up the vise and we can proceed. Okay, so we start with the 1.5mm drill, and we will try to place it exactly on the center of the pin by looking at the rings that were created during the manufacturing process. So let's drill a small guide hole. And this looks pretty crude, but actually this process is pretty precise. We can always look at the hole and fix it by drilling in a specific direction. We're going to enlarge the hole with the 2mm bit next. Okay, let's review the result. So this is pretty good. As you can see, the hole is centered, and we can continue drilling through the pin some more. So this is going to be a split pin cap, so I don't need to drill a lot more. So this is the video showing how to use a manual drill in order to make these holes. And actually the manual drill method is pretty accurate, as you can see from this example. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video of drilling centered holes.